Game Development 101. Create your own game. Welcome to Game Development 101. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of game creation. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious beginner, I'll guide you through the basics of making your own game, plus share 10 easy examples to get you started. Let's jump in. Game development process. Creating a game can seem daunting, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it much easier. Here's a simple game development process. Basic steps to create your own game. 1. Conceptualization. Brainstorm your game idea. 1. What genre will it be? 1. What's the story? 2. Planning. Outline the game mechanics, characters, and levels. 2. Create a game design document. 3. Prototyping. Build a simple version of your game to test mechanics and gameplay. 4. Development. Use game engines and tools to build your game, focusing on graphics, audio, and code. 5. Testing. Playtest your game to find bugs and gather feedback. 6. Polishing. Refine gameplay, graphics, and sound based on feedback. 7. Release. Share your game with the world, whether on a platform like Steam, itch.io, or your own website. 8. Marketing. Promote your game through social media, trailers, and gaming communities. 10 easy game ideas to create. Now that you know the steps, let's explore 10 easy game ideas you can create, whether you're a beginner or looking to experiment. 1. Endless runner. 1. Overview. A character runs automatically, and players jump or slide to avoid obstacles. 2. Tools. Unity or Godot. 3. Example. Create a simple platformer where the player collects coins and avoids enemies. 2. Trivia quiz game. 1. Overview. Players answer multiple choice questions within a time limit. 2. Tools. HTML, CSS, JavaScript or mobile app builders. 3. Example. Design a quiz about your favorite TV shows or games. 3. Text adventure game. 1. Overview. Players navigate through a story using text-based commands. 2. Tools. Twine or Inform 7. 3. Example. Create a fantasy adventure where players choose paths and outcomes based on their choices. 4. Memory card game. 1. Overview. A classic game where players match pairs of cards. 2. Tools. Scratch or Unity. 3. Example. Make a themed memory game using images from your favorite movies or animals. 5. Platformer. 1. Overview. A side-scrolling game where players jump between platforms and avoid hazards. 2. Tools. Construct 3 or Game Maker Studio. 3. Example. Design a character who jumps through levels collecting stars while avoiding enemies. 6. Maze game. 1. Overview. Players navigate through a maze to reach a goal while avoiding traps. 2. Tools. Unity or Unreal Engine. 3. Example. Create a spooky maze where players find their way out while collecting treasures. 7. Cooking simulation game. 1. Overview. Players prepare and cook dishes based on recipes. 2. Tools. Roblox Studio or RPG Maker. 3. Example. Design a simple game where players can combine ingredients to create different meals. 8. Idle clicker game. 1. Overview. Players click to earn points, which can be used to buy upgrades. 2. Tools. Construct 3 or Unity. 3. Example. Create a game where players click to build their own virtual farm. 9. Virtual pet game. 1. Overview. Players care for a digital pet by feeding, playing, and training. 2. Tools. Unity or mobile app builders. 3. Example. Make a game where players raise a cute creature and help it grow. 10. Simple shooter game. 1. Overview. Players control a character that shoots targets or enemies. 2. Tools. Unity or Game Maker Studio. 3. Example. Create a top-down shooter where players fend off waves of enemies. Resources for game development. Ready to start developing your game? Here are some great resources to help you along the way. Recommended resources. 1. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer beginner-friendly courses in game development. 2. Game engines. Unity, Unreal Engine, and Godot are powerful tools for game creation. 3. Community forums. Websites like Reddit, GameDev.net, and itch.io have active communities for feedback and support. 4. Tutorials. YouTube is full of tutorials covering various aspects of game development. Closing thoughts. Creating your own game can be a fun and rewarding experience. With these simple ideas and steps, you're well on your way to bringing your game concept to life. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and learn along the way. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of game creation. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming content. Until next time, get creative and start building your dream game.